Hey everyone, Bobby, Westover Homestead Preppers. Got the post setting up pretty good. I just waiting around, giving them some time to settle and cut up some lumber. You know, I got me a 5x4 area here, which I'm going to make the chicken coop. So with my grade here, it kind of falls off to the back. So what I've kind of done is my coop's going to be about 6 feet high. So what I've done, and this being my lowest point, I come back here and I measured up 3 foot, put a mark there, and then that's how I'll run my coop off of there. I went to, got my OSB board and stuff I'm going to use to frame up the coop, and then I'll probably side it or something. But what I was getting at is, like, you go there and you buy some wood, and I kind of already had a design plan. So I had them cut, at least get me some cuts, and had my, 5 foot cut and my couple 4 foots ripped. So it gets me closer to where I need to be, and it was much easier to carry. So that was that. Now, kind of being in the business, we got the fancy kind of tools here. I've had them for years. They're really awesome. This is a pass load gun. It's cordless, works off of a propane cylinder and a battery, and kind of works like a piston engine. It's got a piston in here and a spark plug, and the spark plug ignites the fuel, and the fuel jams the piston, and it nails. And when we're building and stuff like that out in the field, stuff goes a lot quicker. So what I'm going to do is kind of frame up the bottom of this coop. And again, it's a little tough with one person and these things being rounded, I'm finding out. But I guess, so what I'm doing is I cut my board here that I got going on here, 5 foot minus 3 inches. And you get that one mark, and then you just run around with a level, and you got to mark around. I put this here because this is going to be my board that's going to come across. So with my dimension being 5 foot, I take 5 foot minus 3 inches, and then that gives me the, oops, that's not the one. Either that or I can't measure. So then I cut these. Of course, let's see what we got going on. These are the right ones. It is the right one, so I must have moved my post, but that's okay. Once I frame this up, it'll solid it up. I'm using all pressure treated material. I think I'm gonna hang this other one first. Oh no, because I need that. Well, yeah, I can do that. Run this across there. Okay, I got that mark there. So I just run my level off the top of this one, and that gives me the mark over there, which I already marked it. And I'm gonna bring it around here so I can see it. That's what goes here. know if you can see down here, I still got the strings up, just because in case I'm kind of working this without the concrete setting up, nothing gets out of whack on me. Plus like I told you, when I'm marking off a house or excavating, I paint right over the line. Well, I painted the line, so what I'm going to do is make a little trench so I can make sure the wire goes down into the ground or the bottom board so that nothing can get under it, because we have some wild animals out here. Joe next door at St. Bernard's, he's found some bear scat, and we got some bobcats on the video, so we got some wildlife, needless to say. When you're doing this with hammer and nails, it can definitely be tough when you're by yourself, trying to hold the post. It won't be bad if it was all set up real good, but this pass load gun definitely makes life a lot easier. Not to mention, stuff moves around a lot faster. So I've been threatening with rain all day, in and out of rain showers, but excited enough to get it done. And I'm only down here on the weekends and stuff right now. I gotta take advantage of the time I have. And voila, the bottom frame of the Coop. And that noise you hear, that's the fan clearing out the excess gas. Automatically does that. So now I got my frame where I can set my piece on. I'm just gonna notch around here. Built this frame on the inside, so it'll hang over in here a little bit, and then I can run my little ramp up there, frame it in real nice. So that's the plan. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, so I'll go get my jigsaw and cut that plate. Be right back. Okay, I'm back with you. Like I said, I had them rip this down 5 foot, and that's I kind of utilized in my design how I was trying to utilize all the wood, and I had this ripped down to 5 foot, which left me a 3 foot piece, which is going to be used for one of the sides, and I had another one ripped down to be used for another side. And you know, so just kind of think about that when you come to material usage there. What you so you don't have, you have less waste. I did notice these are a little bigger than standard. Oh, no. That's 4, 3. I'm just marking off where the posts are going to be. I like using a speed square, but forgot it. I'm using this, which framing square works on some applications. Speed square is a lot better on certain other applications. Got the corners all marked out. I use DeWalt tools. I've used them for years and never really have any problems with them. It's kind of my brand. Yeah, it was supposed to rain all weekend, and we got little showers here and there, but I'd like to have a job as a weatherman, because they can be wrong and still not get fired. Which I'm glad they're wrong this weekend. Okay, we got the base down, got this piece down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work through the angle of my roof. So I'm going to put this front at 3 foot. A nice clearance. And then I'm going to do the back 2 foot for my roof pitch. No, maybe I'll do 32 inches. 2 foot's kind of a big drop. So that should make for a nice pitched roof there. I like it. I like it. Plenty of fall. Very good.